guys, welcome back to Ruma's Rannaghor. Today we're making Lahori Chana Dal. This recipe is inspired by Kebab King located in Jackson Heights, New York. A few of their best dishes are chicken kebabs, chana, chicken tikka, chicken samosas, and their naans. So good, I'm getting hungry. Let's get started. In a blender, add in water, boiled potato chunks, chickpeas, and blend until you get a smooth consistency. Next, in a pot on medium heat, add oil, ginger paste, garlic paste, and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, add in onion paste and cook until they turn slightly translucent. Begin adding in your spices and cook them on medium heat. I heard the more you cook your spices, the better the food will taste. Add in the potato and chickpea paste into your gravy and stir until blended in. This may require a bit of an arm work, but I know you've got this. Next, add in your whole spices and stir. If needed, add chickpea water so the mixture does not stick to the bottom and stir for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. After 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat, add in the rest of your spices. Stir your spices into the gravy for 1 minute and then follow with a chicken bouillon cube. Next, add in amchur powder, which is optional, and stir for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add in your chickpeas and stir into gravy on medium-high heat. Add your plain yogurt and cook the chickpeas well with the yogurt and spices. Once the oil separates from the spices, add in the rest of your chickpea water and continue to stir. Cover with lid on medium heat for about 15 minutes until you see the oil rise to the top. Add in your green chilies, kasuri methi, and a handful of finely chopped cilantro. Mix them well with the chickpeas and cover over low heat for about 5 minutes. I wish you guys could smell this. Pour into your favorite dish and drizzle a handful of fresh cilantro. Enjoy this Lahori Chana Dal with naan and roti. Thanks for tuning in today. New videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays.